The GTPLAYER Ace Pro gaming chair offers an ergonomic design with a backrest that adapts perfectly to the human body, ensuring ultimate comfort during extended gaming sessions. Equipped with dual Bluetooth 5.1 speakers, this chair enhances the gaming experience by delivering an immersive surround sound that is both powerful and clear. The chair features a thick 5.1-inch seat cushion made from shaping foam, which not only retains its form but also provides exceptional comfort and support. Its superior design includes a 360-degree rotating base, a 150-degree reclining backrest, and a retractable footrest, making it versatile for work, study, and leisure. The flexible headrest and memory foam lumbar pillow add to the chair's appeal by providing additional support to the neck and lower back. Assembling the chair is straightforward with the detailed instructions provided, and the manufacturer offers a generous warranty for peace of mind.